Creating a board on Monday.com is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To get started, log into your Monday.com account and click on the Create button to begin building your board. First, define the purpose of your board. This will help you determine the type of items and columns you need to include. For example, if you are creating a board for project management, you may want to include columns for task assignments, due dates, and status updates. Next, choose a template or start from scratch. Monday.com offers a variety of pre-built templates for common use cases such as project management, sales tracking, and customer support. If you choose to start from scratch, you can add columns and items as needed. When setting up your board, consider the following best practices. Use clear and concise column names. This will help you and your team quickly understand the purpose of each column. Use relevant and consistent item names. This will make it easy to identify and track individual items on your board. In addition to column and item setup, consider adding automation and integrations to streamline your workflow. Monday.com offers a range of automation recipes and integrations with popular tools such as Google Drive, Trello, and Slack. To take your board to the next level, consider adding dashboards and reports to provide visibility into your data. Monday.com offers a range of customizable dashboards and reports that can be used to track key metrics and performance indicators. Finally, make sure to share your board with relevant team members and stakeholders. This will ensure that everyone is on the same page and can collaborate effectively. By following these best practices and taking advantage of Monday.com's features and functionality, you can create a board that is tailored to your specific needs and helps you achieve your goals.